When high speed meets high density, you get Amphenol's HD Express, the PCIe Gen 6 backplane connector engineered for next-gen server and storage systems. Engineered for 85-ohm impedance systems, HD Express ensures exceptional signal integrity with ground shielding on all four sides of each differential pair, delivering superior isolation for high-speed PCIe Gen 6 signals. Its modular construction and die-cast guide module ensure precision mating and robust alignment, even in the most demanding environments. With the highest density on the market, a scalable single wafer design, and proven press-fit technology, HD Express helps reduce system costs while maximizing layout flexibility. Beam-on-blade architecture provides mechanical stability and electrical performance you can trust. Power your PCIe Gen 6 systems with confidence. Choose HD Express for your next server, storage, or supercomputer design. Learn more and download the datasheet at amphenol-cs.com.